Hey guys, how's it going? It's me Wasan and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a video unlisted or private in YouTube Studio Beta. So let's get into the video. So first go to your Creator Studio or the YouTube Studio Beta. So I'm first going to YouTube Creator Studio, then try YouTube Studio Beta. After that, you will see this window. So head over to the videos window. You'll see a visibility title, and below that you'll see the public thing. So just click on that. After that, click unlisted or private as you wish. Then click save and boom, it's done. So if you want to make them public again, just do the same thing, click on that and make it public. So guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed and hope I helped. If you have any questions, just comment down below and also comment down below what videos I should make next. So bye.